Hi there, students. A funnel, a noun, a countable noun. To funnel as a verb. Okay, so this is a funnel. Yeah? You use this to pour, for example, water into a bottle, or to pour powder into a container with a narrow neck. So look at the shape. It starts large and it ends up much narrower. Yeah, and that is a funnel. Yeah, so yeah, I needed to use a funnel to pour the oil into the bottle, for example. You can also call a funnel a chimney, normally a metal chimney, particularly on a ship or on a railway locomotive that was powered by steam. Yeah, so the funnel is where the smoke from the engine comes out of the ship or out of the train. So effectively it's a chimney. It's just to vent the smoke, and that's what the funnel is. Okay, then we can use this as a verb, to funnel. Yeah, to reduce the area or to convey something to a particular point. So when the film finished, the people funneled out. The reason being that the door is only wide enough for a few people at a time to go through. So you come from lots of people and only a few at a time, and it's like it's going through the neck of the funnel. And that's the idea. Yeah, the wind was funneled along the valley. Yeah, I think in Navarrete in Portugal, the shape of the sea funnels the tides, and they have the most enormous waves in the world. Nazareth in Portugal. Have a look at it. But we're talking 50-meter waves or bigger than that. And then you can also use this verb to funnel, meaning you can funnel goods, or you can funnel information, or you can funnel money. So you send it there as it becomes available. So the corrupt politician funneled money into his account. Yeah, he funneled information to the enemy. Yeah. Okay, so it's to provide, to send something to somebody, to send it on its way, to move it from one place to another. Okay, so to send something directly and intentionally. Yeah, the organization was accused of funneling arms to terrorist organizations, or charities funneling money to illegal organizations. So it's sending it through when it's available. Yeah. Okay, this reminds me as well, in Australia there's a funnel web spider. And this actually makes a web in the shape of our funnel. Yeah, it's like a funnel. You can even have a funnel cake where you use a funnel and you pour the batter or the mixture in here, and it comes out into hot oil, and then you put maybe icing sugar or something like that on it as well. Okay, so to funnel. Yeah. Okay, so a funnel. You've seen it ad nauseam. To funnel something, to proceed, make it go through a narrow gap or a narrow passageway. Yeah. When there are roadworks, the number of available lanes is reduced, and the traffic has to funnel into the lanes that are available. Yeah. To funnel resources, to send from one place to another. Yeah, the company funneled their profits into research projects. Okay, so a funnel, like a tube or a chimney, yeah, and then to funnel, to channel, to direct, to convey, yeah, okay, and yeah, funnel. That's about it. So let's see. Formality. A funnel. Neutral formality. 5 informality. To funnel out. To funnel in. To funnel funds. 5 informality. Use anywhere. A regular verb as well. And as to origin, it probably comes from Old French, funel, yeah, which comes from probably from Latin, fundibulum, a funnel, yeah, infundibulum, from infundere, to pour in, and fundere, to pour. Okay, and that's where it comes from. So remember, a funnel. I bet you've got a funnel in your kitchen somewhere. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To funnel, a funnel.